Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes unidentified network no internet access error in Windows 11. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click Adapter, click Properties. Check Internet Protocol version 4, click OK. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Network Adapter. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Internet Connections. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings, click Network Reset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.